Hi friends. I am Scissor from PS Tutelar. Friends, we can extend our images. Extend but protect subject. There are 4 techniques. What are these techniques? Let's get started. Open image and pick crop tool. Press Alt and extend it until you want. Then click on this icon. It is to commit current crop operation. Press Ctrl and click on Layer Thumbnail. It will create selection of image. Go to Select, Modify, Contract. Contract by 15 pixels, then hit OK. Selection will contract 15 pixels. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert this selection. Then go to Edit. Content Aware Fill. You can see it is processing on image. When it finishes processing, just need to click OK. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect and hit Enter. Click on this icon to commit current crop operation. You can see it makes 2 layers of image. Just select both layers and press Ctrl plus E. It will merge both layers and make 1 image layer. It is first technique to extend image while protecting subject. Here is second way. Open image and click on this icon to unlock layer. Pick crop tool and extend it until you want. Click on this icon to commit current crop operation. Go to Select, Subject. It will create selection around subject. Go to Channels and create a new channel. It will create Alpha 1 channel. Come back to Layers and press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Go to Edit and click on Content Aware Scale. Choose Alpha 1 in Protect. Press Alt plus Shift and extend image. Notice that it extends image but protects subject. Click on this icon to commit transform. So here is your extended image. Let's see third technique. Open image and click on this icon to unlock layer. Pick crop tool. Press Alt and extend. Click on this icon to commit current crop operation. Go to select and click on subject. It will create selection around subject. Then go to select and click on save selection. Name it whatever you like and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Go to Edit and click on Content Aware Scale. In Protect, choose name you choose earlier. Press Alt+Shift and extend it. Click on this icon to commit transform. In this way you can extend image but subject is protected. It is third technique. Let's see the last fourth one. Open image and pick crop tool. Check content aware box. It will content aware fill areas outside original image. Then press Alt and extend until you want. Click on this icon to commit current crop operation. It will start processing. Progress to fill empty area of document. That is to extend image but protect subject. After finish it extend image. While you can see object is protected. These are all 4 techniques. You can extend your image by protecting subject. I hope you like these techniques. If you like video then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.